Hi, I'm Angela, a volunteer with Wild Virginia, and this is Finding Your Backyard Wild. Now it's springtime here in Virginia, and that means my favorite bird, the hummingbird, is making its way back into the area. You'll see hummingbirds in Virginia as early as late March. And hummingbirds are so fascinating. They're the only bird that can fly backwards. Their heart beats up to 1,200 times per minute, and they've been clocked at going 50 miles an hour. Now here in Virginia, we typically see the ruby-throated hummingbird. And that hummingbird spends its winters down in sunny Mexico. Now it flies non-stop alone over the Gulf of Mexico. So when it gets back here to Virginia, you better bet it's going to be hungry. So let's give it a little extra food. Now hummingbirds consume over half their body weight in food. They mostly eat insects and they get nectar from flowers. But it's nice to provide a little supplementary food as well. Now I like these glass hummingbird feeders. They're more sanitary and they're easier to clean. And I also like that they have this little perch where the birds can sit while they eat. Now you can find these at your local bird store and online as well. To mix hummingbird nectar at home, you need 1 part sugar and 4 parts water. So that could be 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. Or if you'd like to make a smaller amount, you can use 1/2 a cup of sugar and 2 cups of water. Mix the sugar with boiling or really hot water. And then stir well to make sure that all of the sugar dissolves. Now give plenty of time for the nectar to cool before filling your feeders. And if you have any leftovers, this will keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now it's also really important to understand to not add anything else. No food coloring, no dyes, no other types of sweeteners, no honey, nothing. Just sugar and water, and that will help keep your hummingbirds healthy. Now hang your feeder somewhere where you will be able to enjoy these fascinating birds. And you'll notice that I have a device up here. This is an ant moat. You fill it with water, and this helps keep ants out of your nectar. Now also, make sure to plant some pots around the area here with some red and orange flowers. Hummingbirds have excellent color vision, and this will help to attract them to your feeder area. Now there's 2 very important rules for maintaining your hummingbird feeder. First, you need to change the nectar every 3 to 5 days. Now 3 days if it's hot outside and 5 days if it's cooler. This will help keep the nectar from spoiling. Now the second main rule is to clean your feeder, preferably every single time you change the nectar. This will help keep bacteria that's harmful to hummingbirds from growing in the feeders. Now you can get these great brushes at your local bird store or online. And you can just use hot water and a tiny bit of soap to clean these. Rinse thoroughly and then let dry before you refill. Let's hope to see many hummingbirds this spring and summer here in Virginia. And please share your backyard wild videos with us at wildvirginia.org.